Santa's riding on you. Let's see.
You need to walk over there.
Okay. Santa and Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine. Jasmine, get up. Where's Max? Jasmine, come on.
Get him.
She doesn't want it off. Is your mom home yet?
Mm-hmm.
I had to show her with Jasmine all tied up. Give it. She thinks she can't move with that thing on her. Jasmine. Dude, I can't believe I got a video of her falling off the bed. That was hilarious.
My picture is one, so if I have, then we can.